Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Connecting with Numbers. This is a one-stop channel for all your mathematical queries. Dear parents, by the time our children enter kindergarten, they should have an understanding of big and small objects. There are many ways to teach this concept. So, today we will show you few ways that would be excellent to use both at home or in the classroom. Okay, so let's start. The first way is use learning songs. See, songs are a great way to introduce the concept of big and small, since children love repetition and songs can be played over and over. So, here you can choose a particular song. We have chosen the most favorite song of kids, which is Roly Poly. So, how are we going to sing it? Let us see it practically. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Once again we will do it. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Repeat this song multiple times and you will observe kids repeating this song while playing. So do try this. Now you can also follow day-to-day activities to teach the concept, like compare their toys. For example, this is a big doll. This is a small doll. So big, small. Or what else you can compare? The favorite teddy. Big teddy. This is a small teddy. So big, small. You can also compare spoons. A big spoon. A small spoon. So big, small. Kids love wearing shoes, right? Like a big shoe. This is a small shoe. So big, small. Okay? You can compare many more objects from their day-to-day life. You can even narrate stories to children. Yes. Like we prefer the story of a lion and a mouse, where a small mouse saved a big lion from the hunter's trap. Okay, this story gives an understanding to children of big and small. Okay, narrating stories are always helpful since children love listening to stories. Now, these were all visual and auditory ways of introducing the concept, which will help them in improving their listening skills and their fine motor skills. But if you want to go for some concrete ways, then you can prepare such worksheets at home. Okay? Preparing such worksheets hardly take any time. Now, over here, what we can do is let the children find a small object among the two. Okay? So, let them first find a small object between the two. Now, once when they find the object, ask them to circle the small object. Let them differentiate between small and big. Now, they have found a small object. So, ask them to circle the small object like this. Okay? Now, let us see this. Ask them to find the small object between the two. So, which is small? This is small. A glass is smaller than a bottle. So, they will circle the glass like this. Okay? Now, other kind of worksheets which you can prepare at home are this one, which is tick the big object worksheet. Okay, over here again, ask the children to find the big object between the two objects. Okay, so let them search the big objects. When they search the big object, ask them to tick the big object. Okay, so they will tick the big object. Again over here, a chocolate and an ice cream. So which is big among the two? They will find it. So they'll find that ice cream is big than the chocolate or a candy. So they will put a tick across the ice cream since it is bigger than the candy. Okay. The third way is to prepare, match the small object to the big object worksheet. I mean, they need to find the big version of the small object. For example, this is a plant over here. So, a small plant will turn into a big tree. So, let them find the small object. They have found the small object. Now, let them find the big object on the right hand side. So, a small plant will turn into a big tree. So, small to big. So, they will match the small object to the big object. So, they will match this. Okay. Again over here, this is a small fish. So, a small fish will turn into a big fish. So, small to big. So, they will match small to big. Similarly, they can do for other objects. A small puppy will turn into a dog. So, they will match the puppy to the dog. A small baby elephant will turn into a big elephant. So, they will match the baby elephant to the big elephant. Okay. So, these worksheets will help them in improving their concentration as well as help them in differentiating big and small objects. Okay. So, this much for our today's session on big and small concept. How did you like it? Do let us know in the comment box. And which concept you want us to take up next? Do let us know in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Connecting with Numbers. And do not forget to press the bell icon for updates on new videos. Bye bye, take care. We will be back with our another video soon.